2025 Range Rover Sport. We did the black view camera. See how everything is nice. You don't see no wires or nothing. Okay, everything is hardwired. Nothing goes to your cigarette lighter. You're not gonna have any wires hanging down like this. Everything is done. It looks like it came with the car. And as far as the back goes, that's the back camera in the back there. No wires showing anywhere. Okay. This one has an app on the phone. This is the black view. It has parking mode. It stays on for maybe an hour, and then or two, and then it turns off, so it doesn't drain your battery in the car. That's parking mode, and it comes with the app on the phone. Anybody who's interested that has any type of cars, we do come out and we knock out the dash cam at your location. Give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And the black view is actually one of our favorite cameras that we do on these vehicles. There's a bunch of different brands, but we like black view. We like thinkware. I know there's another one, Red Tiger, and there's a bunch of them. But make sure that it comes with the app on the phone. Don't buy those that clamp on the mirror and then the camera's on the outside of the car and they're like $40-50 in Amazon. That's just you're trashing your money. Not to mention you're going to pay a lot of money for installation because we got to crawl and run the wires, and it's on the outside of the car, underneath the car if it's a pickup truck and that sort of thing. So definitely don't get those. Get the professional ones, the ones that come with the app on the phone, and those are the ones that Uber drivers use and that sort of thing. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.